Please watch my videos, guys, honestly, for your own benefit. I upload all these videos to genuinely help people avoid situations like this one here. Somebody's tried to do the right thing. They thought this was the right way to do it. Color match is wrong. Sheen is wrong. The type of paint is wrong. All they had was just little, tiny little nicks, scuff marks throughout the place. And they didn't patch it. They didn't color match it. They didn't use the right type of paint. This is all oil base, full gloss. You can see that sheen. Very, very expensive little adventure here that they've gone through. They've tried to do the right thing once again. Got to give them that much, but it's now going to cost them so much more to rectify all of this. You can put oil-based paint on top of water, but you can't put water directly on top of oil. It simply doesn't stick. So to rectify all of this, we're going to have to sand it. We're going to have to prime it. We're going to have to patch all these little patchwork areas and then paint the whole wall. So now we've 2 steps forward, 1 step back. Oh, actually, this is 2 steps back, 1 step forward. So honestly, I'm really gobsmacked. The whole house is like this. This is just one little section. So we've got a double-story house here that's going to have to be rectified. I've shown you guys how to patch. I've shown you guys how to prime, how to paint the wall, how to even color match. This is nowhere near the color that it needs to be. I'm not sure where they've got this color from. Doesn't look like they've taken it from anywhere in this house. They might have found a tin in the garage and just thought that's the right way to do it, or the right paint. Please watch the videos, guys. Share them with your friends so nobody ends up in a situation like this. I honestly feel for them. I'm honestly speechless. Like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Hopefully I'm saving you money and you're learning new things all the time so you can avoid situations like this. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Billshowto.